Statesmen, welcome back to the library. I hope you are ready today to see all of the amazing new books we have for you to start checking out. So get comfortable. We're going to go through this quick, but I want you to make sure if you see something you like, you know what to do. Go on Destiny and put a hold on these books because they are going to go fast. Okay, up first, we have new graphic novels to add that are the next in series that we already have in our library. So get ready. I know some of you are already excited about the second book in the Cloud Puppy series. We have the next book in the spinoff from Investigators called Agents of Suit. We have the next Sweet Valley Twins book in the series ready to check out. We've added another Diary of an 8-Bit Warrior Minecraft graphic novel. We have the next in the Rima Chronicles series for you to check out. We have the next and last, the final book of the Bad Guys series. So I'm excited, I'm sad, I'm feeling all the emotions about this book coming out. We have the next book in the Leon series called Friends Forever. We have the next two books in the First Cat space. We already have the first one in the library. Now we have books 2 and 3 to add to that. Let me move those over. There's so many. We have the next Stuart Gibbs Spy School series. This is Ski Spy School, the next graphic novel for that. We have the next 2 graphic novels in the Sunny series. We've got the next graphic novel in the Bestie series. This one looks funny. It's called Prank War. I think I would really like to read that one. We have the next 2 books in the Animal Rescue Friends series. So we have books 3 and 4 for you to try. We have, oh my gosh, there are 3 books that we're putting 4, 5, and 6 in the Cat Ninja series. These are really fun to read too. We also have, oh wait, there's more. We have got the next Max Meow book. We have Babysitter's Club number 17 that we are adding. We have Babysitter's Little Sister number 10, Karen's Prize. We have got book 4 in the Pause series. This is one of my favorites, super cute. We've got a new Cupcake Diaries. We have got a new I Survived. This is I Survived the Japanese Tsunami of 2011. Kids, talk to your teachers because we remember this event happening and how devastating it was. So this was all over the news. This will be a really cool one to read. Oh, my mistake. We've got another Cupcake Diaries book too. So we have got books. This is 7. Oh, and this is 3. This must have been a replacement one for one that either got lost or damaged. So those are a ton of our new graphic novels. Now, I'm going to move on to more graphic novels that aren't shelved with most of the graphic novels, but Miss Letourneau and I have worked really hard to pull a lot of the beginning graphic novels into a different section of the library, so they're super good for kindergartners, first graders, and second graders. Hey, Miss Letourneau, let's go over to where we have them now in case we might have some people who have never noticed this new section of the library before. So come on over. Let's take a look. So if you look over here, this is where we have a lot of easy reader books, but we have moved our graphic novels that are really appropriate for some of our youngest friends here in the library. So we are going to add a new pizza and taco book to our collection. We have a new Gingerbread Man on the Loose book to add. We have a new Grumpy Monkey book, School Stinks. I think that one is hilarious. We are going to put 2 new Astrid and Stella books into our beginning graphic novels. So friends, I hope that you will explore this section because you don't have to be in kindergarten, first or second grade to check these books out. There's a lot of fun series that are great for everybody over here. Okay, let's keep going with our new books. As we're getting closer and closer to fall, we've got a new nonfiction book about the weather that we find in fall. Speaking of nonfiction, we have the next volume 3 in the series, Butt or Face. I promise you this is a crowd favorite, so make sure you get your hands on that. A book I'm super excited about because I loved The Wild Robot. I love The Wild Robot movie. Now we have a picture book called The Wild Robot on the Island. So it's a picture book of the original Wild Robot. The illustrations are beautiful. It is just, if you know the story, you just know how sweet it is. So I'm really excited for students to start checking this book out in our library. If you are a second grader, you just finished a lesson. If you are a third grader, never mind, third grader, you just finished a lesson with Miss Letourneau about awesome beginning chapter books that we have in our library. So Miss Letourneau has given you a quick reminder of where those are located in case you've forgotten from when we finished our lesson this week. We've got a couple new ones to add to our beginning chapter books. This is the first in a new series called Coral Keepers. We have the next book in this series, Pets Rule. These are so funny and cute. I know a lot of you are going to be excited for that. We have the next in the Maria Khan book or series. These are really, really great. And finally, I know a bunch of you are going to be excited. We have number 16 in the Press Start series. So I know you will put these on hold and just be so excited to get these checked out. Teachers, this is a little bit for you. We went ahead and ordered some new biographies about famous Americans for second grade. So we have a new book about Benjamin Banneker. Check out Paul Revere. We have got John Adams. We've got Alexander Hamilton. One of my favorites, George Washington Carver, and look, James Madison. All the fun facts that you need when you are teaching about these very important people. Now, one more example of books that I want to share with you today. Look, I'm going to be honest. I have not read these graphic novels. They have just come very, very highly recommended, especially for this time of year. This book is called The Wrong Way Home. Don't tell Miss Letourneau, but I think I may check this out first. It's a Newbery Honor book. On the cover, it says, "What if everything she's been told is a lie?" I just think it looks really, really intriguing. It's a mystery, and I think it's going to be great. Miss Letourneau is telling me something, and I don't really know what she's saying right now. So we're going to keep moving on. Since we're getting closer to Halloween, I looked through our new books, and I wanted to share with you some of the creepy ones. You all know I'm not checking these out because I do not like scary books, but I know you do. So we have a graph. This is the only one that's been released. It says number 1, it's going to be the first in a series, so I know there's more coming, but this is the only one available right now called Spirited. Creepy. No thank you, but I know you will like them. This one is called Welcome to Feral. Sometimes I feel like I am already there.
Little Town Big Scares.
Last Exit to Feral. Little Town Underground. Spooky. This looks really good. This is called Eerie Tales from the School of Screams. This book was featured at our book fair last year called In Real Life. Definitely creepy. We have got a new fiction book called The Girl in the Walls. Not something I would be choosing to read. And finally, when I look at, I don't know what the book is about. It's called Another, but just the cover of it just gives a creepy vibe. So I know it's not on my list to check out, but I know for sure it's going to be on a lot of yours. So friends, that was a lot of information. We're wrapping it up. Come see us. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't leave a comment because that function is not allowed. And we'll see you back in the library to see new books really, really soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye.